This is a video on how to play the games and what you need to do to you play the game, the screenshot, and luckily on this I had a friend beaten. So it is going to show you also when you do a friend, when you beat a friend score, what this is, and then your backup to show you where you are in the ladder, because this does not show you the level and so forth that it's playing. Okay, so let's first go over here. And I just played level 25. So when you're new and you come in here, you're looking at all this and you have no idea what to do. First of all, read all of this right here. It tells you everything that you need to know. Hopefully it does. You're playing level 325. There's going to be 3 prizes up for grab. Everybody starts at 0. That means whatever you are currently have on the ladder for that game, that has nothing to do with it. Everybody starts at 0. Everybody starts out the same. And this one is going to be a high score. So in other words, you played level 25. You try to get the highest score you can get. Game ends on 10 November at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time, or it would be a 1 p.m. UK. And then also up here, again, it shows the same thing right here when it closes. And here it shows you, if you click on that, it's going to give you a countdown clock, because there's so many different time zones for our players. We give you a countdown clock so you know exactly how many hours or how many days or how many seconds or whatever, okay? So let's going to go ahead and play this, which I have done. I played level 25. This is my score for level 25. I beat somebody on here, Pearl, and I am right above her. So this is what I would get. If you did not beat somebody, this would be a normal screenshot. Okay, Helly did level 25, so it shows us what level you played. It gives a score of 158,260. It gave 250 coins, so we know that she played it. See, her current score was 222,970, which is the best ever right here, because she's number 1. We don't want this score. We can only take this score. And we know that you played it because we know you got 3 stars. You got 250 coins out of it. So it gives us all the information that we need. That would be a regular screenshot without beating a friend. So let's go back to my friend beaten. We're going to take a snip of this. Come down here. I have mine pinned to the bottom. You're going to hit the snipping tool like that. Come up over here. See where I am right here on the right hand side? You're going to hit mode. And the easiest way to do this is just hit full screen snip. That is going to take a picture of this full screen. And I want you to come down here at the bottom. See down here, bottom right corner? It shows it's 1:16 p.m. I'm in Texas. And it shows the date of 11/5/2019. So it tells us when, I'm going to go back over here to the group page, it tells us when this was taken, when this was played, and it is a current game played. Okay, see she has hers down here at the very bottom. So it's 11/4 is when she did that. So let's go back over here and let's take a snip. Again, what I want you to do is hit your snipping tool, go to mode, hit full screen snip. That is the same thing as just copying. I am copying that, okay? So we want to go out of this. Just X off the page. No, I do not want to save this. So let's go back over here. We're going to go to the game, level 25. Is that where I am? Okay, we're at level 25. Remember now in the snipping tool, when I did that, that was considered a copy. So you come down here at the very bottom as a new comment under the game that you're playing, level 25. That's what I'm playing. I'm going to go down here, put my cursor there, right click, and paste. It's just like a copy paste. And here's my friends beaten. I want to write in my score. My score is 156,035. So we're going to put 156,035. That is my new score. And I'm going to hit enter. And here is my full screen snip. Here is my score. Now, because this is a friends beaten, let's go up here. I'm going to show you two different things. Remember, this was the friends beaten. It doesn't say anything about a level. Doesn't say, doesn't say anything. Just can't tell you what level you played, right? So we're going to go back over here on the friends beaten. I want you to now get yourself out of there. I want you to go back into level 25. Now I want you to take a snip of this one, because now this one says level 25 and this shows 156,035, which is exactly what my score is. So it shows that this was the level, and it shows my name, and we're going to take a snip now of this one. Just again, easy, full screen snip. Up here, top right, X off. No, I do not want to save it. Go over here where I first put in my friend beaten as a reply. Hit reply. Now I want you to just hit paste. Enter. And these two now coincide with each other. This is my friends beaten, which I made 156,035 on it. This shows us 1125 with the 156,035. Down here to the right, see, it shows what time it is. No, it was done today, and it is a current score. So that is how you play the game, and that is what is needed. So now that you've done this game, usually we have 3 to 4 games going per week. You can go to another game. You've already played this one, so you don't want to do that. Well, here's one here. Here's a blitz. Let's kind of go through this just to show you how the write-ups are doing and what the picture. You're playing level 77, and it ends on the November the 10th at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's US. Here is your countdown clock, so you can check it at any time. And this one is who can come the closest without going under 113,550. What that means is You come down here, so let's kind of like look at what they've got. We don't want to go under 113,550. Here's 119,975. Here's 115,955. So they're trying to get the close. Oh, look at this, 113,555. Wow, 113,550. Oh, very good. So anyway, just trying to get who can come the closest to that score. But every one of them will have a write-up and a picture to coincide with each other to let you know what the game consists of. Here's another one. This one is, what is she doing? Nearest to her score of 153,850. Level 198 down here. Game ends November the 7th, Central Standard Time, 1 p.m. UK time. And again, here is your clock. So everything should be stated on how to play it, what they need, what kind of game it is, any information like that. If at any time you don't understand anything, please don't hesitate and call in getting one of us or putting a comment in group. If one of the admins are not around, then there are so many players in here that can answer questions. It's not even funny. But please join us, play all of them. Everything gives a prize, 1 prize, 2 prizes, 3 prizes sometimes. It's just depending on the admin that's doing it and who is, how many games are going, what kind they're going. But don't ever hesitate in asking. I hope this helps. If there's anything you need, don't hesitate, okay? Thanks for being a part of our group.